Hey, what's up? This is why I love making money so much. I love making money. For me, it's almost like I'm addicted to business. It's like a drug. And the reason I love making money so much is because I realized that making money is not about taking money from people. It's not like I have money, therefore you don't. But otherwise, I would hate making money because I'm taking from people. Making money is actually about giving so much value and solving so many problems for people that then they give you money or you just make money as a result. So I've just done some crazy business deals just this morning. It's like 10 a.m. No less, it's 9 a.m. While I've been doing a workout session in between reps, I've been selling off some houses, selling off some estates, solving some problems, and people are like crying with tears of joy, thanking me. And as a result, I'm making hundreds of thousands of pounds because, and that would have been foreign. That concept would have been foreign to me before, but now it's like, well, of course, the person that solves the most problems is the person who makes the most money. So never think that being rich is about being greedy. Being rich is about making other people poor. Actually, being rich and making money is just about solving bigger problems. So that's my message for today. So get rich, solve problems, help people. And then with the money that you make, not only is it ethical and honorable and noble to make money, but then it gives you also the opportunity to then be generous with that money. So that's a double whammy because you've solved problems over here and you've helped people and you've made money. Great, honorable. Then you're going to give money and you're gonna help people that are less fortunate than you. You have a duty of care. You have a responsibility that when you're blessed to be a blessing. So that's a double whammy. And then the triple whammy is then that doing those first two things inspires other people to then do the same. So you share the journey. Like that's why I do a YouTube channel. Make money, honorable. Give money, honorable. And then inspire people so that it has a rippling effect across the world and leave the world a better place than you found it. Really, really honorable. So, although sometimes we hide away from being wealthy and it's like almost a dirty thing or rich people are greedy, all this kind of stuff. Actually, I'm unashamed to be wealthy. I'm proud to be wealthy. I've worked very, very hard to become a better problem solver. And I'm definitely not going to hide away because most rich people hide because they don't want the hate. They don't want the, I'm going to keep sharing what I'm doing. So I've got some ridiculously good videos coming up soon where you'll see me out on the road. You'll see me doing development. You'll see me buying properties, selling properties, solving people's problems. And I want you to be able to do the same thing. I want you to learn to be an excellent property investor. I want you to learn to be very wealthy. I want you to learn to get rich so that you can give, so that you can inspire. And when I go off, even when I go and do charity work in Africa, like when I'm out to Zambia, Uganda, we're building water wells and bringing water, but also I teach people about business because I believe that true entrepreneurship in its purest form is actually the key to break any kind of poverty. So, and honestly, I know that you get sometimes these do-gooders, that sort of say, oh, let's take all the money from the rich and let's split it out evenly. Listen, that socialistic mindset, what it does is it makes rich people resentful and annoyed, and it demoralizes them and makes them not want to make money because the government are just taking it off of them and giving it to the poor people, and it makes poor people dependent and like a puppy dog at a table, desperate for money off of the rich people, and it's just really twisted. I mean, my thoughts are that we should be teaching entrepreneurship, teaching it in schools, teaching people about how to make money, and then not robbing the rich to give to the poor. That's really twisted. I think we should be, what the key is, incentivizing the rich to be generous and look after the people. Don't say the people are too stupid to have the money. Let's just force it off the people and give it to the all-wise, all-knowing state to then distribute evenly. That's devastated everything it's touched. That socialistic, communistic. Look at East Germany. Look at the countries where that communism has got in power, and look how it's absolutely killed the economy. It's killed the people. Because ultimately what you're saying is, let's give all the money to the government and let's just trust them. That never ends well. I think what would be better is if we encouraged entrepreneurship, if we taught people about money, we taught people how to be rich, but then also incentivized them with tax breaks to then give to the poor, to then give to charity. Not only incentivize them with tax breaks, but also champion. Yeah, just tell them, Amelia, just tell them to stop phoning me. So the video keeps getting cut because people keep phoning me. So champion entrepreneurship, but also encourage giving and just celebrate it. So anyway, I'm gonna have to cut this video off because people keep phoning me and interrupting it. But I love you. Thank you for watching. Be successful, be rich, give well, inspire well, and be encouraged.